2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, keyless entry, Bluetooth, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, premium sound, climate control, power door locks, side airbag, heated steering wheel, clock, power brakes, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.